Okay, for Form 3 Chemistry Worksheet 10 about periodic table. So, first question asking us, Group 1 element, what is it called? Very easy, isn't it? The name should be alkaline metals with an S. Okay? And then the members in the group are what, and rubidium, cesium, etc. So it should be the first one, because it's a name, capital letter, lithium, and then sodium, and then potassium. Alright. Okay, so asking us those three elements, first three members, which is this three elements, their names again, electronic arrangement and electron diagram. So lithium again, writing the name down first, sodium and potassium. Now think about it, electronic arrangement. First you need to give you some hints in green color. Lithium is number 3. Sodium is number 11. And potassium number 19. So what are the electronic arrangement of them? 3, 2, 1. Sodium 11, 2, 8, 1. 19, 2, 8, 8, 1. Remember, those are comma. Electron diagram 2, 1, easy. Lithium, right? First shell 1, 2. Second electron shell 1 only， 得兩個圈2 1啦，第一個圈2對住坐，第二個圈1粒自己坐啦。OK， sodium 281 Na 要畫細少少咯喎，2對住坐8嗱打孖坐咯喎。第二個圈開始要打孖錯嘅咯，拍住喎，上下左右 2 4 8， 最後一粒 1 OK 1 potassium 2881 K 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and lastly the last electron 1. And just a reminder, for assessment please remember to use pencil for diagrams. Okay, pencil for diagrams, remember that. 記得鉛筆啦，如果要畫圖嘅話 OK， 所以做呢啲都係鉛筆畫啦。Next, similarities of group 1 element 有啲咩共同嘅特質呢？ First of all, group 1 嘅 metals they are all soft metals. 點 soft 法啊？ They can be cut easily by knife， 用刀切都得嘅喎。Okay, what else? Group 1 element 啊，我再 emphasize group 1 element， 或者 group 1嘅 metal 啦。They have 好低密度，可以浮喺水嘅 low densities。咁乜嘢 water 呢？頭先啱啱講完 floats on water 啦，浮喺水啦。 and 使咪幫你？OK，all our metals 咧，全部都好 reactive 㗎，全部都好活潑㗎。They are all reactive metals。咁頭先都補充翻少少啦 ，density 係密度。OK。Right, back to here. All reactive metals, they react with air readily and must be stored under。哇！既然咁容易同即係水啊，甚至空氣反應呢，我哋就要擺喺一個安全啲嘅地方，即係唔可以俾佢接觸到空氣啦。咁嗰樣嘢呢，就叫做石榴油 （paraffin oil）。paraffin oil，paraffin oil，OK 係油嚟嘅，叫做石蠟油。To prevent the metals getting in contact with air。OK。D. All react with 乜嘢 giving off 乜嘢 to form and 咩 solution 呢？咁 reactive 梗係講緊 reacting with water 啦，咁佢叫 and then giving off hydrogen， 跟住就 form 咩啦？嗱，咁呢個就係佢個名 Group One metal 嘅特性啦。佢係 alkaline metal 嘛，所以佢會產生咗 react with water 就會產生 alkaline 鹼性嘅溶液啦。所以佢個名點解叫做 alkaline metal 啦 ？OK，the reactivity 乜嘢嘅 group 啊？記住 group one 呢就係越落就越 reactive 嘅，所以 the reactivity increases down the group， 越落就越活潑啦。OK，group two。Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals。OK，Group 2兩個字 alkaline earth 嘅 metals。Members of the groups are 順序啦，由上至下啦，應該係 beryllium with 2 L 兩個 L。Magnesium and then calcium。OK， 有啲咩個 group 嘅咩 member 就易啲啦。OK， 又係同頭先上面一樣啦。First three members， 我哋要畫圖咯喎，寫低翻佢哋個名先啦。Beryllium、Magnesium and calcium。So a little tips again for electronic arrangement. Beryllium is number 5. Number 4. Number 4. Magnesium. Number 12. Calcium. Number 20. So the electronic arrangement number 4 should be 2, 2. Number 12, 2, 8, 2. Number 20, 2, 8, 8, 2. Okay, and drawing the electron diagram 啦。Electron diagram should be pretty easy. BE 1, 2對住坐。Second shell 開始打孖坐啦，上下左右，先上坐喺上面啦。OK， Magnesium 3 electron shell period 3啊，所以3個圈。1, 2 1, 2下啦 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8上下左右咁啦，打孖坐。And lastly 2 1, 2 OK， 282. And for calcium 要留返啲位啦。2 8 2 4 6 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 Make sure you have enough space. OK， 確保咧畫嘅時候留返啲足夠嘅空間去俾你交叉。OK， lastly 2 right at the top. So 22 282 and 2882. OK， so 好重要一句 quite an important sentence statement. Group they are 即係講緊 Group 2啦。Group 2 metals they are more reactive than Group 1 elements 咧。Group 2嘅係比起 Group 1 more reactive or less reactive？ 嗱，要記得啦。Group 1嘅 elements 咧係 more reactive than Group 2嘅，所以如果呢度問 Group 2係咩 reactive than Group 1咧，就應該調轉講啦，就應該係 less reactive than Group 1 metals. Alright? Okay, so this is the worksheets for this one. This is the end of this part, this worksheets. Thank you.